of your badge. J1 is always hook here. All you gotta do is unscrew that and it come out, and this one is always hooked here. Unscrew that and it comes out. And now what you're gonna be left with is the cable at the bottom. So how do you take the cable at the bottom? Unscrew these out, and let's see, usually these are stripped off, but we're gonna unscrew it too. Once you open it out, it's gonna be like that. Pretty much it's bundled up like that, right? So you wanna take that out. The leak is from inside. See how gross that is? There might be holes there that is causing the leak. See how gross that